All right, so today we're gonna go and do the maiden flight of our E-flite F-15. This brand new plane is...
Whoa, hey, hold on.
Absolutely.
Hold on. This E-flite...
F-15.
Didn't we do this plane already?
We've done, the unboxing.
No, I'm pretty sure we did this plane.
The Maiden?
Oh yeah, the Maiden, the 10 flight review, everything.
No, this is blue and white.
No. Remember this?
What? No, hold on. That's an FMS.
You sure that's not an FMS?
Mine has safe.
Okay.
E-flite.
But canopies are basically the same. Yours has a pilot.
Oh hey, upgrade. E-flite. You spend all that extra money.
Battery hatches are identical.
You get a pilot and a radio, a receiver. But let's be honest. For a new pilot,
Okay.
actually getting into EDFs and jets,
Okay.
there's a learning curve there.
Yep. No.
Having safe available, kind of a nice thing, but the FMS is the exact same plane. I got to give it to you.
Okay, no, you're right. You're absolutely right. Thank you for admitting that. Now, do you remember what came out of the 10 flight review? The one big thing I wished I had on this plane?
Safe?
Some kind of a gyro.
Oh, a gyro, that's right. The AS3X or gyro,
so I think that right there is where this plane comes into its own and is worth doing.
Well, let's find out. We're going to take this thing off. I'm going to do my first EDF jet. We'll see if it comes back in one piece.
Good luck. And watch for the bunny hop at the end of the runway.
Fair enough. All right, here we go. I ended up aborting that. Did you see that?
Oh,
that little crosswind brought the wing up.
And that's why I always wanted the AS3X on her.
Well, that didn't do diddly for that takeoff.
I noticed.
I think we're okay. No damage, hopefully. Let's
I think your cockpit popped off.
Here we go. By this plane. Holy cow. That is awesome. That was half off. Can you hold 6 feet? Yeah. I can't believe how well she flies. I think I need a little nose up here. I can't believe how nice she's tracked. Having to elevate her up here. Boy, you want to talk about hard to see?
Oh, remember, you only have about 3 minutes, not the 5 you're used to.
Got 1 minute left.
Okay. Probably want to start lining up your first landing.
There you go. Little down elevation.
Woo-hoo, you hit 80, buddy!
I cannot believe how much fun this thing is to fly.
And now you understand.
Yep. I keep buying them after I crash them all the time.
And she'll fly great at about 50. She won't do that at 50.
Oh.
I want a rudder.
I know, but it's time to land. It'll probably take you 2 passes to get it lined up right.
Remember your speed.
Land from the north.
Yes. All right. You got to keep at least 30% throttle on her through the landing.
Only cut it once you touch the ground, really.
Oh, there's that bunny hop. Oh! She lands hot. For my first CDF, I'm blown away. That was more fun than I think I've had on many other planes. Let's go see. Hopefully I didn't damage it. I got to get that back up in the air.
All right, you're on.
All right. I guess I understand the addiction now. You know, poor Zach, he goes through these things like candy, but he keeps buying them, and I've wondered why. Tate's fallen in love with them. Hell, he doesn't even fly a prop plane anymore. I've wondered what's going on, and I guess now I know. These things are amazing. I will say this, so I cheated a lot, and I'm really, really grateful for the safe. Like, super grateful. Being able to take and turn on and off safe and do so whenever I needed to. You know, if I got weird orientation on the plane, if it was a little too far out, if I had obviously stalled at some point, being able to hit that switch and the plane instantly recovered was totally worth it. So for me, you know, these things are still a little bit, you know, out there for the learning curve, and that's exciting to be able to get into a platform on a plane, well, that's safe. So, Tate, come on up here. You've got AS3X,
Yep.
stabilization gyro,
Yep.
in the FMS plane.
Yep.
Let's call it what it is. But I think the safe does it for me. What do you think?
I agree. I agree. If it wasn't for this nasty scheme, I'd buy this plane right now.
I got some rattle cans.
That's what I'm thinking.
There we go. Alrighty. Well, there you go. E-flite F-15 with safe and safe select. Let's be careful there. And flew beautifully. I couldn't be happier. Until next time, keep flying. You ready? Hi, I'm Billy Mays. That's what it felt like. All right.